We're given the general form for a sequence, and we're asked to determine if this sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. When we look at our general form here, negative n divided by 2 plus 7, we see that this is a linear expression in n. Because of that, we're going to suspect that it's an arithmetic sequence, but we're going to go ahead and verify that. To check if it's arithmetic, we need to look at the difference between consecutive terms. So we're going to find a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. So the nth term minus the n minus 1 term. Using the general form, we're going to have negative n over 2 plus 7 minus negative n minus 1 over 2 plus 7. And be careful with this negative because we have n minus 1 here. This is going to give us negative n over 2 plus 7 plus n minus 1 over 2, because we're going to have minus a negative there, and then minus 7. This is going to be negative n over 2 plus 7 plus, and we're going to split this up as n over 2 minus 1/2 minus 7. Notice that, this should be a 2 there, negative n over 2. So negative n over 2 plus n over 2, those are going to cancel. And we have 7 minus 7, those are going to cancel. We end up with negative 1/2. And that's going to be our common difference d. So this is an arithmetic sequence because we have a common difference. The first term, a sub 1, will be negative 1 over 2 plus 7, which is equal to 13/2. We're given the nth term in this form of our sequence, so we can use our first term and the nth term to find the sum of the first n terms. I'm just going to rewrite that our first term is equal to 13/2, and that our nth term is equal to negative n divided by 2 plus 7. That's what was given to us in the first place. For an arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first n terms is equal to n over 2 times the sum of the first and nth terms. So this will give us n over 2 times 13/2 plus a negative n over 2 plus 7. And if we clean this up, we see that the sum of the first n terms is equal to n divided by 4 times 27 minus n.